Canned biscuits and air fryer, easy tips and tricks. In the realm of culinary convenience, few innovations have made as big a splash as the air fryer. This countertop marvel has revolutionized the way we approach cooking, promising crispy, delicious results with a fraction of the oil traditionally used. While many have explored its potential with vegetables, meats, and frozen foods, there's a hidden gem in the world of air frying that's waiting to be discovered. Canned biscuits. The humble canned biscuit, a staple in many pantries, undergoes a remarkable transformation when introduced to the air fryer. The intense circulating heat of this appliance works magic on these pre-made dough circles, creating a texture that rivals freshly baked homemade biscuits. The outside becomes irresistibly crisp and golden brown, while the interior remains fluffy and tender, a combination that's often difficult to achieve with conventional oven baking. Within this guide, we will walk you through easy tips and tricks to make the quick and easy canned biscuits in your air fryer. From preparing your air fryer to achieving that ideal golden brown finish, we've got all the information you need. So let's get started and discover how you can enjoy this quick and delectable treat in the comfort of your own home. The air fryer biscuit revolution. Why air frying transforms canned biscuits? Air frying canned biscuits is not just a cooking method, it's a texture transformation. The rapid circulation of hot air in the air fryer creates a crispy exterior while maintaining a soft, fluffy interior. That's a combination often hard to achieve in a traditional oven. This method also allows for more even cooking, ensuring that each biscuit is perfectly golden from top to bottom. Texture and flavor enhancements. When you air fry canned biscuits, you're not just heating them, you're elevating their flavor profile. The intense heat caramelizes the sugars in the dough, resulting in a richer, more complex taste. The texture becomes multidimensional, with a satisfying crunch giving way to a tender center that melts in your mouth. Time and energy efficiency. One of the biggest advantages of cooking biscuits in the air fryer is the significant reduction in cooking time. While oven-baked biscuits typically take 15 to 20 minutes, air fryer biscuits can be ready in as little as 6 minutes. This not only saves time, but also reduces energy consumption, making it an eco-friendly option for quick meals and snacks. Selecting the right canned biscuits. Types of canned biscuits suitable for air frying. Not all canned biscuits are created equal when it comes to air frying. Here are some options that work particularly well. Grand's biscuits. Their larger size creates a nice contrast between crispy exterior and fluffy interior. Buttermilk biscuits. The tangy flavor is enhanced by the air frying process. Flaky layers biscuits. Air frying accentuates the layers, creating an extra crispy texture. Reading labels, ingredients to look for and avoid. When selecting canned biscuits for air frying, look for simple ingredients lists without unnecessary additives. Avoid biscuits with high sugar content as they may burn more easily. Consider low sodium options if you're watching your salt intake. Size considerations for optimal air frying. The size of your biscuits will affect cooking time and results. Smaller biscuits may cook faster but can dry out more easily. Larger biscuits like Grand's may need a slightly longer cook time but often yield a better texture contrast. Prepping your air fryer for biscuit success. Temperature settings for different biscuit types. Finding the right temperature is key to perfect air fryer biscuits. For standard-sized biscuits, 320 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius. For larger Grand's biscuits, 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius. For extra crispy results, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, but watch closely to prevent burning. Preheating techniques. To ensure even cooking, 1. Preheat your air fryer for 3 to 5 minutes before adding biscuits. 2. For extra crispiness, preheat at a slightly higher temperature, then reduce when you add the biscuits. Basket preparation and arrangement tips. Proper preparation of your air fryer basket is crucial. Lightly coat the basket with cooking spray or brush with oil to prevent sticking. Alternatively, use parchment paper cut to fit your basket with small holes for air circulation. Arrange biscuits in a single layer, leaving space between each for air to circulate. Air frying techniques for perfect biscuits. Spacing and layering methods. How you place the biscuits in the air fryer can significantly impact the results. Space biscuits about 1 inch apart to allow for expansion and even cooking. If cooking multiple batches, you can stack biscuits using a rack, but increase cooking time slightly. Flipping versus no-flip approaches. There's debate over whether to flip the biscuits during cooking. Flipping halfway through can ensure even browning. No-flip method works well if your air fryer has good air circulation. Experiment with both methods to see which you prefer. Timing secrets for golden brown. Perfection. Timing is crucial for perfect air fryer biscuits. Start checking at 5 minutes for smaller biscuits. Grand's biscuits typically need 7 to 8 minutes. Add 1 to 2 minutes for extra crispiness, but watch closely to prevent burning. Flavoring and customizing your air-fried biscuits. Pre-cooking seasoning ideas? Elevate your biscuits before air frying. Brush with melted butter and sprinkle with garlic powder for savory biscuits. Dust with cinnamon sugar for a sweet treat. Top with shredded cheese for cheesy biscuits. Mid-cooking glazes and toppings. Add extra flavor halfway through cooking. Brush with honey butter for a sweet glaze. Sprinkle with herbs like rosemary or thyme. Add a dollop of jam for fruit-filled biscuits. Post-cooking flavor enhancements. Finish your biscuits with these ideas. Brush with garlic butter as soon as they come out of the air fryer. Drizzle with icing for a dessert-like treat. Serve with gravy or jam for a classic touch. Beyond basic, creative air fryer. Biscuit recipes. Stuffed biscuit innovations. Try these stuffed biscuit ideas. 1. Separate biscuit layers and add cheese and ham before reassembling. 2. Create pizza pockets by stuffing with sauce, cheese, and pepperoni. 3. Make sweet apple pie biscuits with cinnamon-spiced apple filling dessert biscuit creations. Transform your biscuits into desserts. 1. Coat in cinnamon sugar and serve with cream cheese frosting for cinnamon rolls. 2. Create mini berry cobblers by topping biscuits with fruit filling before air frying. 3. Make chocolate stuffed biscuits for a gooey, indulgent treat. Savory biscuit meal ideas. Turn biscuits into a full meal. 1. Top with sausage gravy for a quick biscuits and gravy breakfast. 2. Use as a base for mini breakfast sandwiches with egg and cheese. 3. Create a biscuit pot pie by topping chicken stew with air-fried biscuits. Troubleshooting common. Air fryer biscuit issues. Dealing with uneven cooking. If your biscuits are cooking unevenly, ensure biscuits are evenly spaced in the basket. Rotate the basket or flip biscuits halfway through cooking. Check if your air fryer has hot spots and adjust placement accordingly, preventing burnt exteriors and doughy interiors. To avoid this common issue, lower the cooking temperature and extend the time slightly. Cover biscuits with foil if they're browning too quickly. Let biscuits rest for 1 to 2 minutes after cooking to finish internal cooking, adjusting for different air fryer models. Each air fryer model is unique. Familiarize yourself with your specific model's quirks. Keep notes on what works best for your air fryer. Be prepared to adjust times and temperatures as needed. Storing and reheating. Air-fried biscuits. Best practices for short-term storage. To keep your biscuits fresh, allow to cool completely before storing. Store in an airtight container at room temperature for 1 to 2 days. For longer storage, refrigerate for up to 5 days. Freezing techniques for batch cooking. For make-ahead convenience. 1. Freeze cooked biscuits in a single layer on a baking sheet. 2. Once frozen, transfer to a freezer bag. 3. Store for up to 3 months. Reheating methods to maintain texture. To restore that fresh baked taste. Reheat in the air fryer at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius for 2 to 3 minutes. For frozen biscuits, add an extra 1 to 2 minutes to the reheating time. Avoid microwaving, as it can make the biscuits soggy. Final thoughts. Air frying biscuits is a quick and convenient way to enjoy a delicious, warm treat without the hassle of using a traditional oven. The versatility and ease offered by an air fryer make it an increasingly popular choice for those looking to experiment with simple yet flavorful recipes. Whether you're making basic canned biscuits, customizing with a variety of seasonings and toppings, or creating innovative stuffed and dessert biscuits, the possibilities are endless. By following the tips and recipes outlined in this guide, you can elevate your biscuit game with minimal effort. Moreover, addressing common issues and understanding the nuances of your specific air fryer model will ensure consistent, well-cooked results each time. Proper storage and reheating techniques will help you maintain the fresh-baked quality of your biscuits, making it easy to enjoy them at any time. From breakfast to dessert, these air-fried biscuits can be adapted to suit any meal or occasion. turning a simple ingredient into a star feature of your culinary repertoire. So, embrace the creativity and efficiency of air frying and let your kitchen become the hub of delightful biscuit experiments. Meta description: discover the art of air fryer canned biscuits. Learn tips, tricks, and creative recipes for perfectly golden, fluffy biscuits in minutes.